What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to earn more revenue on YouTube, because YouTube actually announced a new feature that's going to be starting to roll out from July 27th. So that brought me also to the idea to make this video for you guys, because a lot of you are wondering how to make more money when you just got like a YouTube partner and the views are not actually like starting to get like that high. It has to increase slowly but surely. So in this video, while the views are coming up for you guys and you want to like get the maximum out of your videos when it comes to like revenue, I'm going to share you guys 3 tips to actually get started with this. So if you guys are excited, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe if you're here for the first time watching. I would say let's get started with the video right after the intro. Alright guys, so it's been actually a long time since YouTube has been like manually approving these YouTube partnerships. So let's create a scenario that you have applied for a partnership for YouTube at like June 2018. Nothing really comes by because YouTube has to like manually go through them. And then 2018 comes to an end, all of 2019 rolls by, you don't hear anything. And then at the end of, for example, like 2019, at the beginning of 2020, you got accepted into the partnership. Now you obviously can run ads on your videos because they reviewed you. Your ads are suitable for advertisers. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys with the first step how to improve your revenue by starting with step number 1. Okay, so this is the feature that I was talking about in the intro. To give a little bit more background, if videos are over 10 minutes long, you can insert multiple ad rolls. For example, if a video is 12 minutes, you can insert an ad at like 5 minutes, and then for example 9 or 10 minutes, and these ads will play throughout the video. But YouTube recently announced that they will now enable videos longer than 8 minutes can get mid-roll ads. So now your videos don't have to be 10 minutes anymore, but just over 8 minutes. So that's because a lot of memes were created where people would make like a video that's for like 10 minutes long and 1 second just for that mid-roll ad, and a lot of jokes are made about that topic. But that's basically what a lot of YouTubers might do, is they would just have a video that's like 4 minutes long and they would stretch it all the way to 10 minutes just for that ad revenue by whatever black screen or music or anything like that. Now that's not the case anymore. If your video is now longer than 8 minutes, whether it's like 8 minutes and 1 second, you can now insert mid-roll ads in there starting July 27th. And I think that's a really great feature for YouTubers, because they now don't need to stretch the video for another extra 2 minutes just for that ad revenue. Now, before we're going to move on to the second step, I want to quickly give you guys a tip that you don't need to pack your videos with like an ad every 30 seconds, because that's going to actually harm the watch time on that video. And you might think that a lot of advertisements in a video would generate more revenue. On one side, that's true, but if you insert that many ads, people are not going to even watch through the first ad, because they see all these yellow dots at the bottom of the video and they just see how many ads are coming up. And these days, especially on YouTube, 80% of all traffic on the website is coming from mobile devices, meaning there is no way to get around advertisements like we have on desktop, where we like install ad block and we don't see any single ad. But on mobile and iPads and everything like that, and maybe like, you know, PS4 and consoles as well, you can't really get around ads. So that's why people might switch off your video if they see like a dot every minute of the video. So that's just one tip I want to give you guys. Like, don't pack your video with ads hoping it will generate you a lot of money, because people might get irritated and click off because there are so many ads, or they see so many yellow dots at the bottom of the video. So now that you guys know that you can monetize your videos with like mid-roll ads on videos that are just 8 minutes or longer, let's move on to step number 2. Second step is, of course, to make longer videos. And this is not necessarily about so you can insert multiple ads. We're gonna just leave the ads part for what it is right now. We're gonna focus on making longer videos. People will tend to watch the video longer, and that's great for your channel when it comes to generating watch time and also getting recommended on YouTube, because the only thing that YouTube cares about is watch time and how long are people spending time on their platform watching videos. So if you're gonna make a video that's, for example, like 6 minutes long, try to find some more interesting ideas, whether it's a vlog or anything like that, that you can just make longer videos about. It's just go ahead and try to add a couple more minutes to make it, for example, like 10, 11, 12 minutes, because that's actually what YouTube wants. They want longer videos so you can get your viewer to watch longer on your channel, and more likely your video can get recommended because YouTube sees like, all right, this video is getting a lot of watch time. People are watching it from start to finish. They're not skipping throughout the video. Let's recommend this, and that's how your channel can grow. So a lot more people get to watch your videos. They discover your channel. They might be interested in it, subscribe. So this is just a lot of benefits when it comes to making longer videos. If you're making longer videos, make sure to insert like a call to action, for example, like in the first 3 minutes, and then for example on like 9 minutes, so people won't forget about what you said in the intro, like when it comes to subscribing, liking, commenting, and like turning on notifications. Keep your viewers entertained, and for example like also roll in your social media right here, so they just know that you can connect with them on social media, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, or anything similar to that. And also ask people to like the video. If they're like, for example, like 6 minutes into the video, you can insert like this kind of animation in your video, asking people to like it if they like what they see so far. These are a lot of steps you can complete in order to, not necessarily get more likes, but get more traction in general. Get your video to really stand out there, make it, not really like go viral, but just recommend it more and see where it goes. So just a couple steps for you guys to implement in your videos, whether it's like lower thirds or like animations going throughout your video and making it longer, for example like 12 minutes, make people stick around more. And if they're gonna do that on like multiple videos, that's gonna even have more benefits, of course, in the long run. So now that I've told you guys the second step, that you can create like longer videos to improve your channel statistics, let's move on to the third step, which is actually going to be helpful for the people that are not in the partnership yet. They don't find anything useful on the first step, for example like inserting mid-roll ads on 8-minute videos, because they can't. They're not even YouTube partners. They can't monetize their videos with ads. But there is another way you can monetize your YouTube channel without being a YouTube partner, and let's talk about that in step number 3. So affiliate links are actually pretty simple, and 9 out of 10 you don't even have to pay for anything. So you can just sign up, for example, on Amazon.com as an Amazon associate, and then you can just go into your account. You can create whatever link for whatever product that you like to promote on your channel. Let's say that you just bought a new microphone and you're just doing like an unboxing or a test or whatever, and people would like to pick up that microphone because it sounds so great and it's affordable. You can just leave an affiliate link down in the description where you can get like into your Amazon account, type in the mic that you just bought, get your unique link and paste it in the description, and just mention that in the video, like, guys, if you would like to pick up this microphone, the link is down below. Make sure to purchase it through my link. That supports the channel. That's what a lot of people do. That's what I do as well, to generate more income in the long term. And of course, how much money you're generating through affiliate links depends on the program itself and how much percentage you get off a certain sale. Because let's say that you have a microphone that you just purchased and you promote it, and you, for example, it costs like for example $250. You might get between 6 to 8 or even lower or higher depending on the product from Amazon. So if people purchase it, you get 8% of $250 as a bonus, because they will want to reward you because you made people purchase on Amazon, or basically any website, whether it's for video editing software, cameras, whatever gear, or whatever website, for example like Amazon, eBay. There are tons and tons of websites out there. You can sign up for free for an account. You don't have to pay for like a subscription a month or per year, just completely for free. Promote your products, and of course that is what you can also do to improve your income and generate more revenue even when you're not a YouTube partner. These were 3 really simple steps in order to earn more money on YouTube, whether you're a YouTube partner or not. So if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you find this video helpful and you're going to use these tips, make sure to like this video, and also let me know in the comment which tip was the most useful for you. Are you in the YouTube program or not? Let me know down below. Thanks a lot for the continued support, guys. I'll see you guys, of course, as always, on a Wednesday with a brand new Vegas tutorial. So I'll see you guys in the next one.